Welcome to my weekly mini vlog series, Bougie in the City Diaries, where I take you along with me in the beautiful Washington, D.C. So if you are interested, definitely stay tuned. I started off the week meeting up with a friend for lunch, so we went to the Saga. It is in the Weston area, inside of the Ritz Hotel. Super great service. The food was pretty good as well. We got pretty small plates. We weren't really starving, but we definitely knew we wanted to eat something. It was a vibe. Highly recommend. It doesn't get too busy either around lunchtime, which is really, really nice. I will say though, while the food was pretty good, this dessert unfortunately was not. I couldn't find the dessert menu online to figure out what this was called, but I believe that like ginger in it, which can be a bit overpowering. But besides that, everything was amazing. This is me doing a quick fit check. I love this set by Meshki, you guys. Highly recommend if you just want something to throw on for like a quick lunch. I also did a quick little detour to the National Gallery of Art, specifically the East Building. I wanted to get some cute photos for my small business I'm relaunching in October. Across the street is the West Building. It's actually my favorite of the two. Highly recommend going. One thing I really love about DC is the access to embassy events. So you can literally go to a random embassy event on like a Thursday. So we went to the Embassy of France. They were having a garden party. This is my outfit dressed for the occasion. I believe the tickets were like only around $100, and they had food there. There was like a crepe making station. There was this guy. He was so sweet and so friendly and so proud of his little meats. It was so like adorable. There was also some other food there, and then there was open bars. There was tons of like champagne, red wine, any type of drink you were looking for, they had it. After the embassy event, we went to Bar Angie. I had never been to this restaurant, but I had been meaning to go. So this was the perfect excuse. It was so cute inside, but it was super loud. So we opted to sit outside instead. You guys, if there's one thing you need to order from Bar Angie, this is it. This is a caviar topped lobster roll. It was insane. It was so good. I can eat a million of these every single day. Later in the week, me and another friend went to RPM. This is my favorite happy hour spot, you guys. They never let me down. The drinks are great. I've never had a bad meal here, and the service is amazing. My friend got this little like tuna crudo type of vibe. I don't know exactly what it was. She loved it. But if I had to recommend anything, it would be this little flatbread truffle mushroom pizza. Highly recommend. It's so good, you guys. Next day, I was actually invited to an app launch for an app called Sponsor. It's an app for women to give each other referrals for jobs, which I think is really important right now, and amazing work. They had some cool workshops, networking opportunities. It was catered as well, which was great. There was even like, I think, a giveaway, which you see here in the video. But yeah, definitely check out Sponsor, you guys. The app is now live in the App Store, so highly recommend. Overall, I had a wonderful week, and I hope you did too. And I will see you guys in my next mini vlog. Bye, guys.